Hi folks, how's it going? Today, our chef provides an easy and delicious recipe for your special holidays. Let's dive into it.
Hello, food lovers! Today, we're diving into the heart of Greek cuisine. We're talking about moussaka. Imagine sunshine, blue skies, and the scent of oregano. That's what moussaka is all about. Warmth, flavour, and pure Greek goodness. This dish is a true celebration of Mediterranean flavours. It's not just a meal, it's an experience. Ready to take a trip to Greece with your taste buds? Let's get cooking. First things first, let's lay out our ingredients. Moussaka is a dish that thrives on the quality and freshness of its components. Each ingredient plays a crucial role in building the layers of flavour and texture that make this dish so special. Moussaka is all about layers of deliciousness. Each layer adds its own unique taste and texture, creating a harmonious blend that is simply irresistible. We start with lovely, meaty aubergines. These are the foundation of our dish, providing a rich, earthy flavour that pairs perfectly with the other ingredients. Slice them up nice and thick. This ensures they hold their shape during cooking and absorb all the wonderful flavours. Next, we need some spuds. Potatoes add a hearty, comforting layer to our moussaka, balancing the flavours beautifully. Potatoes add a lovely, comforting texture. Whether diced, fried, or mashed, they bring a satisfying bite to the dish. Now for the star of the show, the meat. We use succulent lamb mince, which adds a rich, savoury depth to the moussaka. We use juicy lamb mince, seasoned with classic Greek herbs like oregano and thyme. These herbs infuse the meat with aromatic flavours that are quintessentially Greek. Finally, we create a creamy, dreamy béchamel sauce. This luxurious sauce ties all the layers together, adding a velvety smoothness that is simply divine. This sauce is the crowning glory of our moussaka. It not only adds richness, but also a beautiful golden finish when baked to perfection. Alright, let's build our moussaka. This traditional Greek dish is a true comfort food, perfect for any occasion. First, we fry the aubergines until they are golden brown. This step is crucial for adding that rich, deep flavour to our moussaka. They should be nice and crispy, absorbing just the right amount of oil to enhance their taste. Then we layer them in a baking dish, creating the first foundation of our delicious moussaka. Next, we brown our lamb mince with onions, garlic, and tomatoes. This mixture adds a savoury and aromatic layer to the dish. This flavourful meat mixture goes on top of the aubergines. Don't forget the potatoes. They add a wonderful texture and heartiness. We layer those in next, ensuring every bite has a bit of everything. Finally, we pour our velvety béchamel sauce over the entire dish. This creamy topping is what makes moussaka so special. Into the oven it goes until bubbly and golden. The result is a beautifully layered, mouth-watering moussaka that's ready to be enjoyed. Section 4. A legacy on a plate. Moussaka's place in Greek history. Moussaka is more than just a dish. It's a part of Greek history and heritage. It has been enjoyed for centuries by many generations. Families have passed down their own special recipes with love. Each bite tells a story of Greek culture and tradition. Imagine sitting down to a family meal in a Greek village setting. The aroma of moussaka fills the air with delight. That's what makes this dish so incredibly special. Section 5. Savouring Moussaka in the Greek Isles. A match made in heaven. Imagine the rich, savoury layers of eggplant, ground meat, and creamy béchamel sauce melting in your mouth. Picture this. You're on a Greek island. The air is filled with the scent of the sea and the aroma of freshly cooked food. The sun is setting over the Aegean Sea, casting a golden glow over the tranquil waters. You're enjoying a plate of moussaka at a table overlooking the water. The gentle sound of waves adds to the perfect ambience. Can you think of anything better? The combination of the stunning view and the delicious food is simply unbeatable. Moussaka and Greece just go together. This dish is a true reflection of the country's rich culinary heritage. This dish captures the essence of Greek life. It's more than just food, it's a celebration of culture and tradition. It's all about good food, good company, and good times. Sharing a meal of moussaka with friends and family creates unforgettable memories. So next time you're in Greece, be sure to try it. Indulge in the flavours, soak in the atmosphere, and experience a match made in heaven.